Hello everyone and welcome back to the cabin. It's a beautiful day today and we're gonna get a lot of stuff done. So let's first start by checking out the potatoes and raspberry plants. They're coming up. I think they're all up except two. So there's one here, there's one over here, and then I did diagonally. So there's nothing growing right here yet. This is one of the big baked potatoes. Another baked potato, and I think this is another baked potato. And then this one, just a little baby sprout right there to start it off. And then these two. So they're definitely coming up. The one thing I do need to do is I got some chicken wire and I'm gonna put over this so the moose don't eat my potato plants. And as always, the raspberries are looking good. This fall I'm going to cut these first couple back so they grow bigger. The strawberry plants are looking pretty good. Hopefully they produce some big strawberries this year. Out of all the runners from last year, it looks like only one survived. That one right there. There might be one or two small ones in here that survived. But I know you're really supposed to cut the runners off of your plants so they get bigger strawberries, but I want more plants, so I'm letting the runners go for the first few years. The first project I'm going to tackle is this grass. As you can see, it's getting pretty long. So I'm going to go ahead, get it cut this morning, and then I can move on to another project. So let's go ahead and get the grass cut. One job done, on to the next. Who says it doesn't get hot here in Alaska? Yes, that's about 82 degrees in the shade. Way too hot for us Alaskans up here. Wow. The next project I'm going to tackle this weekend is actually two small projects in one, but they involve the raspberries and potatoes over here. So first, I bought this chicken wire, and I'm gonna wrap it around my box here so the moose can't get in and eat my potato plants. That's the first part. The second part is I bought this other bag of organic dirt, and I'm gonna dump it around my plants here, my raspberry plants. I guess it's raspberry and blackberry plants. I've heard this soil up here doesn't really have any nutrients in it for gardens and stuff, so I'm gonna put that dirt down, and hopefully the berry plants can absorb some of the nutrients out of it. So let's go ahead and get busy. Okay, as you can see, I got the wire fastened around the bottom. Now I'm going to take some of this wire that it was wrapped up in and just loop it through the top to fasten the top so it'll stay together. Okay, I'm gonna call this portion of the project done. I know it's fairly stable. It's not going to blow down in the wind or anything like that, but I'm sure if a moose wants to get in, it's going to, even if I put wooden braces up and stuff, so I'm not going to worry about that. There's a couple openings like here going down it, but I don't think that'll matter any. I'll check it next time I come out, obviously, and see what it looks like. If it's down, then I'll take some wood and brace it up a little bit, but other than that, I think it's good for this year. Okay, on to the second part of this project. I'm gonna take this organic dirt I got from the big box store. It's a Miracle Grow Performance Organic Ground Soil, and I'm gonna just dump it all around these berry plants, mound it up a little bit, spread it out some. I think I might do some weeding first to pull out all this grass and stuff that's growing. And then I'm also gonna put some around the strawberry plants down here. Hopefully it helps them grow bigger and stronger. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm calling this project done. On to the next. Another weekend has come to an end here at the cabin, so I'm just going to pack up and head back to town. Until next time, everyone, I appreciate everyone subscribing. I've gained a lot of subscribers over the last month or two, so thank you all very much.